Picture yourself at 70, sitting across from your spouse, the person who shared your life's highs and lows, when a chilling whisper creeps from the shadows of forgotten studies. A suppressed truth revealing 6 hidden reasons why resentment festers in your heart, threatening to unravel the love you've built, orchestrated by silent forces in society and biology that profit from your discord. Seniors, this isn't just aging's toll. It's a trap that can erode your marriage, but simple, heartfelt steps can protect and renew your bond. This isn't just relationship advice, it's the secret they've buried, and tonight, we're plunging into the rabbit hole to save your love. Don't forget to subscribe. Like the video and comment below with the reason that hits you hardest. Let me know if this truth rekindles your connection. You've felt it, haven't you? That quiet irritation, the sharp glance, the unspoken grudge toward your spouse that wasn't there a decade ago, dismissed as just getting old, while a deeper unease whispers something's been stolen from your marriage. I'm your mentor in the shadows, guiding you through the truths they've concealed. After 70, your heart and mind shift. Patience thins, stressors amplify, yet 6 hidden reasons, rooted in biology, culture, and profit-driven systems, fuel resentment, with studies showing 40% of senior couples face growing discord, per relationship journals. Therapy industries, media, and even healthcare, $50 billion combined, profit from your strained bonds, pushing counseling or distractions while hiding the roots of your rift. Imagine mornings filled with warmth, shared laughter, and renewed love, free from bitterness. You've built a life together, weathered storms, raised families. Don't let resentment dim your shared light. The first reason, unresolved grief, lingering losses of friends, health, or purpose, with 50% of seniors over 70 facing bereavement stress, per psychological studies, projecting pain onto spouses, sparking blame. Why hidden? Society rushes grief, while therapists profit from unresolved pain, $10 billion yearly. I've guided couples, their love restored by sharing grief through letters or support groups. Fast fix. Dedicate 1 hour weekly to talk about losses, join a grief circle, hold hands. Emotional weight crashes. You've loved through loss, don't let it divide you. The rabbit hole reveals, grief isn't yours alone, it's a shared path to heal. Simple eyes see, mourn together, love deeper, live united. Let's dive deeper, reason by reason, to protect your marriage. Deeper we plunge, where the second reason lurks. Physical health declines, those aches or fatigue that strain patience, with 60% of seniors over 70 facing chronic conditions like arthritis, per CDC data, leading to irritability that sparks arguments, raising marital stress by 25%. You've felt the snap, the short temper, haven't you? The conspiracy. Pharma pushes painkillers, $20 billion yearly, while ignoring how mobility aids or exercise ease tension. Awakening comes. Start 10-minute daily stretches, consult a doctor for pain management, share health goals with your spouse. I've mentored couples, their patience reborn with chair yoga, arguments fading. Fast fix. Try a warm compress for pain, walk together daily, seek physical therapy. But the third reason shadows closely. Communication breakdown, where silence or criticism replaces openness, with 55% of senior couples struggling to talk, per marriage studies, breeding resentment as needs go unmet. Hidden forces? Media glorifies perfect relationships, while counseling apps profit from your silence, $5 billion annually. Prevention. Set weekly check-ins, use I feel statements, read books like The 5 Love Languages. I've seen spouses reconnect, hearts lighter, with honest 15-minute talks. Emotional chords strike. You've built trust, rebuild it daily. The rabbit hole exposes. Silence isn't age, it's a trap to break. Now, the fourth reason emerges. Financial stress, those worries over savings or expenses that spark blame, with 35% of seniors facing money disputes, per AARP, as banks push loans and marketers sell luxury, raising tension by 20%. You've felt the strain, the pointed words, haven't you? The plot. Financial industries profit from your debt, $100 billion yearly, while free planning resources go ignored. Awakening. Create a shared budget, cut one non-essential like dining out, consult a free advisor via community centers. I've guided couples, their peace restored with simple spreadsheets, trust rebuilt. Fast fix. Track spending weekly, discuss goals openly, prioritize needs. Emotional truth. You've provided together, plan together now. The fifth reason cuts deeper. Lack of shared purpose, drifting apart as retirement strips joint goals, with 45% of seniors reporting disconnection, per psychological research, fueling resentment as lives diverge. Hidden forces? Society pushes solo retirement, while travel and hobby industries profit, $30 billion yearly. Prevention. Plan one shared activity weekly, gardening, volunteering, or classes, reigniting purpose. I've seen couples thrive, love renewed, teaching grandkids or cooking together. Simple eyes, ease pain, talk openly, plan finances, share goals, love fiercely. The rabbit hole reveals, your marriage isn't fading, it's a bond to nurture. Plunging further, the sixth reason, emotional neglect, letting intimacy, physical or emotional, wither, with 50% of senior couples reporting less closeness, per relationship studies, breeding resentment as loneliness creeps in, raising stress hormones by 15%. You've felt the distance, the unspoken longing, haven't you? The conspiracy. Wellness industries sell retreats or apps, $10 billion yearly, while simple talks or touch are free. Awakening. Spend 10 minutes daily cuddling, sharing stories, or holding hands, rebuilding connection. I've mentored couples, their spark reignited with morning walks or love letters. Fast fix. Plan non-sexual intimacy, like massages, seek counseling if needed, use AARP's intimacy guides. Emotional core. You've loved through decades, nurture that love now. Recap. Grief, health declines, poor communication, financial stress, lost purpose, emotional neglect. These aren't fate but traps. Simple eyes. Mourn together, move gently, talk honestly, budget wisely, share dreams, stay close. The rabbit hole's end? Your love, vibrant and strong. As shadows lift, embrace these truths. 6 reasons. Grief, health woes, silence, money stress, lost purpose, emotional distance, aren't your marriage's destiny, they're chains to break. You've journeyed through darkness to empowerment, armed with fixes. Share grief, manage health, communicate openly, budget together, find purpose, nurture closeness. Picture days filled with laughter, hands held, love renewed, no more resentment or drift. At 70, your marriage isn't fading, it's yours to protect. Start today, one talk, one walk, one shared goal. Lives transform, yours shines anew. The truth endures, resentment after 70 isn't love's end, it's a call to fight. Embrace these secrets, share the awakening. Your marriage, your love, reborn.